So ladies class final. So nadia Laila Guro, Susie Magarang, Charlotte Gagliarde, Sofia Naparan, Kylie. So naga mo tadi sa Don Carlos Bukidnon 6 leg of Motor Race Series 2024. Tuwara gibuya na. All shot. Grabe. Ayan, Susie Magarang. Tuwara Laila Guro.
Okay, next. Yung sektor pulang kinakanal. Tama na yan.
Ayan. Oy, Charlotte Gagliarde. Una ni gawas bay. Charlotte Gagliarde. Una ni gawas sa double. Followed by Susie Magarang, Laila, Solinay, Kylie, Sophia, Barciana. Ayan, no? Wow. Charlotte Gagliarde on the lead. Wow, double. Ayan. Outside. Charlotte Gagliarde, Susie Magarang, Laila Guro, Solinay. Charlotte Gagliarde on the lead. Susie Magarang on second. Laila Guro on third. Yan, Kylie. Wow. Hoy. Oh. Charlotte Gagliarde. Ayan, no? Breakaway. Charlotte Gagliarde from Sagay City, Negros Occidental. From Team Honda, representing from Team Honda. Ayan, Charlotte Gagliarde. Wow, double. Second, Susie Magarang from Vigo City. Yan. Third, Laila Guro from Valencia, Bukidnon. Ayun, no? Wow. Ayan. Susie Magarang on second. Laila Guro on third. Ayan, Kylie Kaupata. Ikalima, Sophia Naparan. Ayan. So, leading all the way. Breakaway na by Charlotte Gagliarde. Ayun, no? Breakaway by Charlotte Gagliarde. Second is Susie Magarang, and third is Laila Guro. Yan. Ayan, Susie Magarang. Third, Laila Guro. Kylie and Sophia Naparan. Solinay and Barciana. Still on the lead, Charlotte Galiarte. Ayan, no? Second, Susie Magarang. Third, Laila Goro. Ayan, Charlotte Galiarte. Breakaway na. Waiting for white flag.
Okay, last ball. Power and Toro.
Ayan, Laila Goro versus Susie Magarang. Inside Susie, outside Laila. Ayan, nakuha agad. Sika na, Laila Goro. Magandang pagkakuha. Linis na linis. Ayan, Laila Goro na ang second. Susie Magarang on third.
Okay, tanang Budawan sa award. Inahanda nakapulo.
Yan.
Pogi Raputan.
Waiting for checkered flag, Charlotte Galiarte. Grabe, Charlotte Galiarte namamayagpag dito sa Don Carlos Bukidnon.
Okay, tanang Budawan sa award.
Representing from Team Honda,
Nakapulo.
Charlotte Galiarte from Sagay City, Negros Occidental.
Okay, din KLX Challenge. KLX 6.
Double. Ayan, o. Ayan. Ikan Laila Goro.
KLX. Entrance na ta.
Wow. Waiting for checkered flag, Charlotte Galiarte.
Exclusive.
Ayan, bakbakanay, Kylie versus Sophia Naparan versus Susie Magarang.
KLX. Exclusive entrance.
Yan, champion ladies category, Charlotte Galiarte. Second, Laila Goro. Ayan, o. Inside. Ayan. Third, Susie. Fourth, Kylie, and fifth, it's Sophia Naparan.
Itong barangay sa norte.
Ayan.
Kapitan na barangay Captain Salvania. No? Na
So,
wala na si Sir. Ikaw.
thank you for watching, guys.
Nakahabol na.
Thank you for watching.